Pick it up. Rod up. Come on. There you go. Now reel down. Now stop. Now pull them up. Now reel down. Alright, stop. Pull up. Reel down. Stop. Pull up. Okay? You don't have to go so fast. Reel them in. Colby, you're forgetting everything I'm teaching you.
I don't
Stop
care.
reeling. Good job, Colby. Colby's the fisher girl today. So how do you like fishing? You having fun? Yeah. You ready to catch a big one? Well, we're trying.
Like a big one.
Oh yeah, I hope it is a big one. Hold on, just hold it. When he's pulling, just hold it. There, pull it up. There you go. Come on. That looks like a good one. All right. Stop reeling. Just hold him. Where is he? Pull the rod up. Stop reeling. Just hold it. That is a big one. Colby, stop reeling. Just hold it. Try to bring. Don't pull too hard. Bring him over here to me.
It's a big one. Maybe it's a keeper. My fourth one.
Good job, Colby.
It's another keeper.
Another keeper?
Uh-huh.
Just hold everything.
He's a little purple. I also caught one crab and 4 fish. It's a keeper!
How many does that make, Colby?
5.
I think that's more like 6 or 7.
And a crab.
And a couple
2
crabs.
crabs.